everyone, welcome to my channel, The Life of Nina. I'm going to put my other glove on. I wanted to show you a little bit of the weather here in Ohio. It's been snowing since about 9 o'clock this morning, and it's around 3, I believe, or 3:30. We haven't got the sidewalk or the steps there. See that? Those are the stairs, so I'm going to hold on and be careful because it's still snowing. And as you can see by the banister, quite a bit of snow already. We're not going to get out and do anything, of course, with the steps or the walks. I hope that you can see how deep that snow is already on the steps there. Yeah, it's really been snowing. See the garbage can? Like my little hat, I made that last year. It's pretty warm. There's a dip down here. I just found it. I'm going to go out and, I know the mailman ran. We've had several cars up and down the road, but we've not had anyone come and plow yet. Here comes a four-wheeler up the road. I'll let you see. See him there coming? Lots of people out either walking or on four-wheelers, and those guys didn't even wave back at me. Well, that I could see anyway. Get the mail out of the box here. I think my husband said that it's like 13 degrees, I believe. Pretty cold. Pretty cold. Look at my, I don't know if you can tell the footprints going up through there. I don't even know if you can tell the snow still coming down, but it hasn't stopped. I've got you guys on a selfie stick so that I don't drop you, but I got my red boots on and trying to let you see. Can you see how deep that is? Yeah, pretty deep. Look at that. Pretty deep out here, guys. A little bit too cold to go sled riding or anything for the kids. I haven't heard from them today. One good thing, if the electric would go out, our furnace is a gas furnace. Look at all the snow there on the table. But our furnace is a gas furnace, and it is a what they call a gravity a gravity furnace, so there's no blowers or fans or anything on it. So look at this snow around we usually keep that for water, and it's turned upside down now so it wouldn't freeze. But look at this big old icicle here. Yeah, it's cold. Lay that right there. I wanted to give you a walk around the yard, but whew, that snow's getting down the back of my neck a little bit. It's really hard, probably, for you to tell, other than when I show my, whoa, this is really deep. Whoa, I hope I don't fall. Can you see that? Up to my boots. Look at that. Yeah, getting deep out here. It's going to be snowing all night. From what we hear, we could get up to 16 inches. I don't think it's too far from that in spots now. And the bad thing is, after all the snow, we're supposed to get a whole lot of wind. Anybody knows when you mix snow and wind, you know, that's what causes blizzards, whiteout conditions. The neighbor down below us, I'll turn around this way. Can you see it back there? He has a whole bunch of chickens and stuff. See them down there? They're below the creek on our on the other side of our property. I'll show you one more thing. It's kind of hard to walk in the snow. We have a big semi-truck tire here that has a big, I never did find out the name of this plant, but it gets those orange flowers on it. Can you see it there? Okay, you see there below that hump? That's actually a big truck tire, a semi-truck tire. So let's take a walk and I'll show you. If I can hold on here, I don't want to fall. It's painted white, so I'm trying to get it cleared off for you. See there? Yeah. Yeah. And the house here, those are steps. You can still tell in the back here. The seat's all covered up in snow. All right, I just wanted to bring everybody out. I had had a couple people asking about the amount of snow we were going to be expecting here in Ohio. And really, it's the news people have had trouble actually even telling us, because the system has been so different. I think out west, where it started from, you guys are experiencing, some of you had lots of rain, I guess, a lot of wind, and the further east it comes, the more snow everyone has been expecting. So my sister Patty lives in Pennsylvania. I heard that some of their interstates are actually shut down. I haven't watched the news for a couple hours. I'm not sure about what's going on with ours. I know that, probably an hour or two ago, I got a text message from our weather people here, and I hear sirens. But anyway, I got a text message stating that, we were then at a level 2, but I think if it hasn't yet, it's probably going to be a level 3 in a little bit, if it's not already. Yeah, see a lot of the bigger birds, blackbirds, crows. And you know, we have homeless here in Ohio just like anywhere else does. So say a prayer that they'll find somewhere warm to stay. My neighbor's got their dog out and it's having a fit. It's a little bitty dog. They don't even have a sweater on it. Well, anyway, pray that the homeless people find shelter. We do have a shelter here in the city. And, wow, this is really something here. So glad my mama's in Florida. She doesn't like this mess. But anyway, we do have a shelter here in town. And, but a lot of the folks that are living homeless actually have mental conditions. So just pray that they'll let someone help them. Good, they let their dog in. Maybe they heard me talking, I don't know. One thing about it, when it snows a lot like this, I don't know if you've ever noticed or if you've even been able to ever be in the snow, but everything's more quiet. And I mean, I hear dogs and I heard a siren a little bit ago, but it's just it's almost like a security blanket over the earth, a muffler maybe. And it just quietens all the noises. So it's beautiful in its own way. It really is. And I'm just thankful I don't have to get out and drive in this. Now the snow coming down right now is smaller, and it's got a little bit of icy in it. It's like stinging my face as it hits it. Earlier it was really big snow. It's not packing, very well, so there's not a lot of moisture in it yet. So yeah. Oh well. It is the season, isn't it? For people that live in the snow belt or, you know, anywhere. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm not going to make this long. I'm going to go ahead and go in because even though I've got my hat on and everything, going to see a lot of four-wheel drives. Thank God that my son that has to work today has a four-wheel drive. And but anyway, I'm not going to stay out here long, even though I've got my hat and my big winter coat, which I hardly ever wear this coat. I've had it for many, many years, probably 9 years or 10 years, and I don't wear it very often because it's so hot. But on a day like this, you have to have layers and bundle up. The gloves that I have on, now I find that gloves are actually warmer than mittens. Mittens are actually warmer than gloves. You know, gloves has each individual finger, and I've got arthritis really, really bad all over, but especially in my fingers. And when I wear the gloves, my fingers stay colder and turn kind of bluish. But with mittens on, I bought these at a little event called Prairie Peddler, and probably 15 years ago. And a lady made these, and they are made out of wool sweaters, and then she's got a cotton, really nice liner inside of it. My hands never get cold with these on, no matter how long that I stay out. So I love these. I make sure that every single year these gloves or mittens are put up so that I can find them again when winter comes, because they are awesome. So yep, I'm kind of like a little hat. I could go in there and whip up some more hats or scarves or something for something to do, but my fingers aren't cooperating very well today. So me and my husband Steve have just been sitting around watching movies on Netflix, and he made a big old pot of chili, and we're just enjoying that. So God bless you all, and I hope that if you're in any type of bad weather that you are going to be very cautious and be safe. And I'll see you guys as soon as I can. Bye-bye. Oh, I hear another. Let's wait. Snowmobile. It's kind of cool. We don't ever have those around here anymore. So that's kind of cool to see, I think. Four-wheeler snowmobiles, they already put a big thing on the news telling everybody that it's still illegal. You're not allowed to ride them on the roads. But hey, whatever it takes to get you around, if you need something, I say do what you need to do. That's just how I feel. All right, bye everybody.